Too bad I didn't get that on camera.
Oh, people snapped it.
I feel like I
Okay,
can
tight,
swing
as
it.
possible.
If I get a good plan, I feel like
Very indoor mentality to have right there.
Of course. Who do you think I am? Swinging. Woo! Oh, it's so far.
Higher, right?
Yeah.
Miles.
I don't know why you fell down.
He's diving. 2-0.
You just jumped. Nice.
I knocked the air out of me last time I did it. So
What?
I know. Because my arms went in and then my chest
Oh,
was
because you're big, you chest directly.
Well, I mean, in indoors, you usually can like.
Yeah,
You
no,
can't
but
support yourself
you
in
just
it.
long-winded yourself.
Dang it.
Yeah.
That's me. That's me. Give that to me. I'll get it.
That's funny because you really scooped the shit out of his head.
Want a block? You want a block? You want a block? Sorry. No, that's not.
Imagine Alan doing that in indoor.
One elbow. I do that indoor.
Nolan's gonna serve me. What?
You
Called it.
Curtis, now.
Oh, too strong. Good try.
So Curtis, do you want it? So
Sorry.
you know your goal would be to go back to that more. Try to exhaust his one power with this. You can go down. You can go down.
Yeah.
2-3. Okay.
Go back.
Yep, it's good. Come on, reset. Ooh. We're not getting there.
Even though you push
Oh, see you, Elias.
Bye, Elias. Thanks for staying. Yeah. Just roll it. Roll shots. Service. Watch this flow.
That's not a fluke. I fucking hate you. You better tip it. Oh, never mind.
I
He
was
slapped
there to
it.
block.
3,
3-4, I think.
4.
Switch.
Yeah, switch sides.
Okay. 3-4. Nervous.
No, good time. Nolan, are you on call tomorrow?
Huh?
You're
More
off.
out. For me, it's more out.
Oh, no, I meant for later.
Oh, no, you mean for
Talking
like
about
left,
later
right?
in
Yeah.
general.
No, keep it more in. Keep the sets more towards the center.
Okay, got it.
5-3.
What?
Yeah, we were 4-3. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nice job. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, go.
Go back, go back.
I got it.
Come on, reset.
Great, Nolan.
Go.
He's hitting, he's hitting.
Yeah.
Alan missed again.
No, I got it here.
Oh, that's still missing.
I got it here. I was going line.
That's still missing.
No.
I said before was horrible.
Oh, the net's
I'm
slow.
still
I
not
got
able to
it.
hit on this. That's
I got you. The net's slow.
No,
Raise
please.
it.
No, no. Just serve. Go ahead and serve. I got
All right,
this.
6-3. 6 after the point.
That's mine.
Oh.
All good. Yes.
Okay.
All right, we're playing CBVA rules now.
Yeah.
So I should get the.
Yeah.
Because
Right,
you intended to set the list. Can't you just intend?
Yeah. That's like stupid.
That's it, stupid. I think that's one of the dumbest.
How am I supposed to tell your
The
intention?
intent to set allows it to be a point.
No, I had an
It's okay.
idea.
It doesn't make the net higher.
Why did you do that? Now it's harder
Look
to
at that
play.
shit. Look at that. Look how tight it is.
Now you can't play, guys.
This can.
You know how tall I am.
Yeah, right here, right here.
Hit.
Not tall enough. That's good touch.
Touch.
You know how tall I am. I can take my wiener away, put it on top of me.
Put on his height. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Hold on, take my wiener away, put me on top of me.
Why?
5'8". Service. What the
Yeah,
flow?
look at that pass. Look at that pass.
What's the score?
You guys are up 2.
So, what does that mean?
I think it's.
6.
I thought we were 9.
6.
I thought 9-6.
Oh, then switch. It should have been switched. Yeah. switch early enough. Let's go, boys.
Is that a speaker deck?
Remember when I told you about the
Service.
I'm recording. That's I got the call.
Oh, it's not bad.
No, that's better than most people serving.
Oh, no.
We're okay.
He had the intent to touch it.
One.
Curtis,
We
he
both
had
won.
the intent to touch it. It's their point.
Yeah, good one.
Okay.
You got it for a bit. I was like, wait, what?
Your call.
Service.
Out.
Oh, good try, good try.
Why are you calling it, Brian?
It's obviously out. He's biased. I'm biased.
I know, right?
You or me?
Is it you or him?
It's you. Nick.
Yeah. Me, sorry.
Okay, we're
Four?
good. 7-0.
7-0.
Alright, right here. How do I call this at?
Yeah.
I'm up.
Oh, nice joust. Nice joust.
Go! Okay.
Alan, what did you learn?
Aye! Swing on the ball! Ah!
Through the net. Hit that shit.
Um,
Swing on it.
so everything that we learned
Swing
today,
on it.
everything that we learned today in Beach Clinic, with Alan doing this,
Said line and I didn't block lines.
please don't follow what this guy does by doing this.
1-7.
Oh, go! Oh, that's one motion.
One more shit.
Intent for one motion.
Yes, there you go. The intent is one motion.
2-7.
Go, push, push. Oh yeah, hit it, bitch.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Wait, what happened with the net? That was weird.
I didn't touch it. I was under that.
All right, switch. Switch.
One more.
8-3.
You guys have 8?
Yeah, now they have. Wait, so it's 7, right?
Yeah, 7. I was calling 7 at least.
Yeah, no, but your score is
3-7.
3. Oh yeah,
Sir?
I can't count. Oh, let's go. You're on.
No. You got that. Yes! Yes!
You opened up and I was like,
He can swing. No approach.
actually-
Oh my god. Just jump. I still hit the net though. God,
That's fine.
this
That's
shit's hard.
fine. It's
It
hard,
really
yeah.
is so hard to jump.
He's a beach player. You're there. 4-7.
My thighs don't feel that tired yet though.
Oh, good luck. You'll feel it later.
All my calves are
Low. Oh, that's so good.
That's a
Damn.
good move.
That's so good. What a spot.
So you're lying.
Yeah, no. He dropped his elbow so late. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, motorcycle.
Tear it up, boys. Tear this shit up.
Yeah.
Go on the hard stand.
It's over. Oh, it's not over.
It's over there. All right. Walk it. Run it. Woo. Stand up. Stand up and run it.
Or those like considered mini motors.
No, don't ride it.
Service.
There you go.
That is very far out.
Good try. Dude, topspin serves are so hard out here.
Yeah, the only difference too, Curtis, is topspin serving is different from hitting. So don't confuse yourself with your serving.
9-5. Service.
Over.
It's out.
Just
No.
Just the line.
That's not the line. Alan thinks it's the line.
Yeah, the intent was the line.
Line or no line?
It was the
It's line.
Yeah.
There's an intention to touch the line.
Remember, everything is a point if you intended it to be.
6-9. Sir? Over.
No, it's not.
Oh, good try. Good try.
Nolan's hand was very much over the net.
Ah, thank you.
My intent was to block that, so that is why. Sorry. That's a reading.
And then you forget that Nolan can jump that high.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not clean.
Take it. It's not clean.
guys are saying.
Not clean.
No,
You
no.
have to have your hands closed.
I thought you can roll it.
Yeah,
That
but
wasn't
like the
a
way
roll.
that you
That
did
was
that,
just contact is very sticky.
Yeah.
I have to.
you actually have to follow through.
Okay. Yeah.
They'll call that as an open hand.
Oh!
Hey!
Holy shit.
Hey, Alan, I think we need to. I think we need to restart the clinic.
I had the intention to roll that one.
Record, replay, do whatever.
Alan had the intent to pass, but.
Yeah. I intended to roll that one.
Nice.
What's the score?
11-17.
Oh my gosh, this sounds so much.
Oh shit.
Hey, bitch.
Nice.
Get up. Oh, that's beautiful.
Go. Nice touch. Come back. No. You. Oh, good eye. Close, close, close.
Wow.
Almost.
Nolan did a. What was it? Was it in the
Oh yeah. Dodge the ball.
Was that open hand okay?
That was fine.
That's fine.
Yeah,
You mean the
because it was
open
clean.
hand contact?
What counts as hard driven?
Not
because
that
his
though.
intent
Oh.
actually was
So that
trying
wasn't
to,
good.
No, but he was
No, it
actually
was.
trying to hard drive the ball. So that
Well,
was illegal.
how about we figure out the rules later
Yeah.
and let's play?
I will tell you if it's wrong.
Alright, let's go.
You have the intent to hard driven.
Remember, the intent is to play volleyball.
Oh, that's not clean.
That's not clean at all.
Alan is bad.
But his intent was to send you.
Yeah, the intent. That actually wasn't. I intended to do one hand. Alright.
Wow, that's a big mistake.
I go.
Oh,
I intended to get that one. So.
I'm never I never want to hear this word again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna intend your ass.
What? I didn't know you were gay. I'm gonna tell Tina.
Oh, what the?
Yeah,
He's
he
already-
intended to dig that shit, and obviously he did.
Go, go, touch it.
Hit! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a deep dish. That's a deep dish. You see what he did? That was perfect. That shit, if you do that indoor, you're fucked.
I got ball, Alan. Keep it over
Nice
there.
set. Really nice set. So, the reason why it's legal is because the deep dish allows the ball
Yeah.
to stop rotating. Oh, nice ball.
Yeah, I'm there.
Please don't film me.
Ah.
My bad.
Come on, Curtis.
I'm not used to like.
Use your thighs. Look at them. You have it.
I'm not used to snapping it like that.
I know, but use your thighs.
Ah, okay.
Score?
I don't know.
I think
You're
it's
only
tied up
down
now.
by 2 now.
7?
We're down 2?
Wait.
Why were we tied up? It was like
I
Oh
feel
yeah,
like we
wait,
caught
no,
up.
I counted
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
it was like 11-7, 3 points.
Saw
ago.
that ref.
It should be 10, 11.
7.
It's
7.
7.
7.
Seven.
Oh.
Yeah.
17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's your
Whatever it was, it
6,
was 1-7 a while ago.
I
Yeah,
know,
no,
but
that's
I served a lot.
Wait,
I'm
that's
gonna
your
kill
6, isn't
myself.
it?
That was 3.
I served way more than
No, no,
three.
no, no.
4? 5?
Way more.
No, this is his 6
6?
now.
Yeah.
Okay, 6.
Yeah, I've been
Yeah, so
serving a
7.
lot.
So 7.
7.
Okay, 7.
7. Let's go that.
You got it.
Yep.
Wait, no, stop.
Ah!
Seven. One more to
Ah!
No, listen.
I'm done. I can't.
Wait, what?
17s.
17.
Oh,
Let's go.
God.
No
Oh.
more. That's it.
Let me play the game, please. Oh.
Service. Watch out for option.
Oh. Good try.
Nolan, your booty is your big booty.
Huh? Sorry, Alan. I hit that with the forearm classic. Yeah. Oh my gosh. We did it! Side out!
Shoulder came out. Your serve? My serve?
My serve.
Oh, 7-point run. Only 7 points, Nolan? Come on. Service. That's out. Fuck, I'm killing myself. God damn.
What is it?
Call 1-800.
Do you want to go up to block?
Yeah, 9-8.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I think it missed the last
9-7.
9-7.
Well, whatever. Yeah, perfect. 9-8, service.
It is. That's a double, right?
Depends on how strict you're playing.
Okay.
Just let it play right now.
Okay.
anything because I couldn't see it.
Oh.
No, because Alan was in front of you when you did. So I couldn't see it. Go.
What score?
Nine.
Nine. Serve.
That's a nice dish.
Damn.
That's a very nice dish.
That's an angle.
Great swing.
English. Fuck. Dude. How can I help you wear that at that?
The only way that you can truly help is a block. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I try to block Nolan and you block the other guy.
I can run up the block.
You'll
That's
block-
not typically how it works, but
I love it. If you block him, I'll give you $15.
Only 15.
Hey, we'll split it.
Okay.
We'll split it.
Alright. Deal. Service.
He said his collusion. Hold on.
Collusion.
Oh my God!
Here you go.
Oh.
We did it.
nice.
That sucks because it's so low over there.
Yeah.
It was too deep for over here.
It's deep over there. Deuces.
Your call.
Nervous. Yes, Alan.
That's a nice dig.
Damn, great touch.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
I got it.
Oh, thank you. Somebody. I don't know. Who knows? Oh, really?
No, he barely got that.
Did he? Yeah.
Thank you.
What? Now, but I couldn't go more than that.
Hey.
Oh, that was perfect.
Wow.
You were straight on him.
Okay.
Advantage.
Nervous.
Me?
What's that backstep?
No one.
Oh,
Yo, what?
That's
a nice
great.
push.
That's a great spot.
Switch sides. Switch sides. Deuces.
That's tough. Great spot. Thanks.
Oh, Curtis, you know what would be fun for you?
Yeah.
Try a beach game to 28.
Oh no. Yeah, I did.
28?
What's the score?
It is 21 up.
Sorry, 21 all?
Yeah, 21
I'll
up.
block.
Okay. Yeah.
My team.
Service.
Nice.
Yours.
A little tight.
Yeah.
Oh, go.
Oh, that's so clean.
Yours.
I'm here.
You're there, you're
I
there.
got it.
Over.
Oh, come on. That's not where I wanted.
Right in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, what a
That's
take.
deep.
Nice take.
Great fucking take.
Woo. What a lefty.
Where were you trying to dump?
I guess it's
Where
lower.
were you trying to dump?
I was trying to dump that
Ball
way.
on.
I was about to say, that's straight into no.
Yeah. No one was right there.
It's so fast.
Advantage.
Even on the beach. It's so
Service.
Oh no!
Again. 22
Ah,
up.
that's me.
22
He
up.
almost had me.
I got a fingertip, bro.
Thanks.
I didn't wrap you enough. Thank you.
I'm gonna receive and then you hit it over.
He hold it. Let's go.
2-2. Alright, let's go, Alex. You got this. Let's go, Alex. Yeah! That's so tight. You seem so tired. You got
Tell
this.
me about it.
That's a pretty good, that was straight to the line.
Yes.
God.
Sir.
Oh, you mean, you're talking about,
Sure.
guys.
6 foot under.
Over.
You, I go.
Yes. Oh, great.
Hit the dip.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Great game, guys. Great game.
We won?
So,
We won! Yay!
So, Curtis, technicality.
I need a
with
break.
no-
Good game.
you can
Good game. Oh,
receive-
God. Thanks for letting me
you can
join.
receive this way.
Great playing.
And
Ryan,
then,
wanna play with me?
yeah, and then the advantage, the score was wrong. When he yells, you were minus one. The one he got. No, so, no. Get here, no. You served, you were on the sixth service. If it was 11-17, if you're on the sixth service, you scored 5 already. No, yeah, you were on the sixth. You were on the sixth rotation already.
Yeah. I think that there's no way. Yeah. Doesn't matter.
Look.
Hey, that's what it was. Oh,
They're all. Well, no, Alan's
No,
tired.
I'm saying.
Then we'll put them on 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. 5-minute breather, relax.
Guys, thanks for playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you
Alright,
for
you're
filling.
done?
What?
Are you done playing?
Nice.
You guys have four?
I can sit out.
You guys do the fours, I'll play, but
Yeah,
otherwise
yeah.
you guys play on.
Let me rest for one.
Okay. Take your phone.
Take a break. Take a break. I'm a generous manager. Call me middle manager.
I hate
That's my dream.
Yeah,
middle
that's
management.
Actually, guys, I'd love to, but I actually need to run.
Okay, like you want to be able to pitch.
No, realistically, that's all I can do. I'll take meetings.
No. Why did you point that way? No. That's why I told you I was vibrating.
Ew, what?
No, Nolan can make text. No, I would have made that worse. I would have said I'm gyrating, and then I would have said my football point right. That's the joke. I don't use butt plugs. No one does.
Try shaking them.
No, he does. At the end, they'll like shake for a second, and it doesn't come off. It's because he's sweating.
It's like stuff. Yeah. Little layers.
So that's why we depend on Sean because he has to brother.
I usually just rub off.
Cha.
He's played with us a couple times.
Yeah, that's Sean. Sure, Sean.
He plays me.
Yeah. Sean. Yeah, not Cha.
Each and every.
He'll come back to indoor if we ask him.
How likely are you to
0.
all the hundred, you're like,
No, don't give him hope. It's highly unlikely.
like if you step on someone's foot, I feel like the foot will still beat you.
Well, yeah. Yeah, there's more. Yeah.
I guess if you land like this,
Yeah, but even then, even in the set, I've landed like this sometimes, and it's like a pocket. It like just like cushions my foot. The only way for you to, the true way of rolling is if your foot is actually like this. If you land like this.
in the Midwest.
No, Curtis, it's called recreation.
Is that blue line the marker?
It's
It's
the
called.
Yeah.
No,
It's supposed to.
No, it's
Oh my
supposed.
gosh, it's so bad right now.
No, I readjusted the net.
We'll fix it. The most I've ever played on. Oh,
Oh, that's funny. I have Alan screaming on camera now, actually. I'm like, this is going to be the one and only time I've heard Alan scream. In frustration of
Tired. No.
because the intent was
I was like, I cannot hear that word anymore. Great video. Literally. Successful.
I didn't think I caught.
Oh,
My first time rage speaking Alan.
You see how much I'm sweating?